Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm going to be cooking in the Ooni Koda 12 a cured Italian salami pizza. It comes in sausage, and then you chop it up and it's cured salami. It's ready. Okay, the dial is half on the flame and the temperature is just right. So the dial is halfway up between medium and high. You know, it's medium on the dial. So let's get this in. So it's hot today, and I've got super sticky dough as well, which isn't helping, and I thought I was going to lose it there, but I kept it going. Just trying to make sure that I can turn it and that it doesn't get stuck at the back. Do that big bulgy bit there. Look at that blowing up. I'll see how fast it can like burn. Oh my gosh. It's on medium. I dread to think what would happen if this had been on full. Right. Just checking, and I think we're done. My basil plant isn't looking very well still. It's got the tiniest little leaves. This is a 200-gram dough ball, and it had a room proof, and then I put it in the freezer and then defrosted it at room temperature. So let's give that a try. The way it's cupped that. Like that. that bit a try. Ooh, look at that base. That was just right. I like bases just like that. I'm more intrigued by my base than I am by my toppings, and I think that's because it's really important that the base cooks, and so I am a bit like obsessed with the base. But I think it's important because if your base isn't cooked, it's not going to taste nice. I'm going to buy some fresh basil because that's looking pretty bad. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more vids. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.